Mistake. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the new MTN Ivory Coast 5G, 4G, 3G APN settings that can make your internet speed 5 times faster than your actual internet speed right now. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let us start up our tutorial. So we're going to start this tutorial by opening our phone settings, and in our settings we're going to go connections, and then after connections you're going to look for mobile networks and then access point names. Then once you reach the access point names, kindly press the plus button, and then this is how we are going to set up our APN settings for MTN Ivory Coast. So the APN name, we're going to use MTN CI 5G. Even if your device is a 4G device, kindly choose that one so that you can be able to access the. So MTN CI 5G. Even if it is a 3G device, 4G device, kindly put 5G so that you can be able to access the 5G speed on your 3G, 4G, even 5G devices, and then check OK. Now the APN, you're going to use web.mtn.ci. Then check OK. The proxy, you're going to leave it unset. The port, you're going to put 8080. The username, you're going to leave it blank. Password, leave blank. The server, we're going to use www.google.com. The MSC, leave it unset. MMS proxy, don't set it. The MMS port, leave it as it is. Now we are going to go the MCC. You're going to put 612, and then the MNC, you're going to put 05. APN type, let us go. Authentication type, set to none. APN type, you're going to put default, comma, SUPL, then check OK. APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6. APN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. The bearer, select all, like this. Don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. After check OK, and then that is it. After you save, the virtual private operator put to none, and after save, let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustek, and I sign out.